Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers appreciate you, new viewers subscribe so you can get some awesome recipes like this one. Today we're out on the grill and we're going to celebrate with a little bit of barbecue chicken. And this is not just a barbecue chicken, this is a barbecue pineapple bacon chicken. So what we got in here is a homemade barbecue sauce with some red onions, some pineapple chunks, and of course some chicken breast. I'll give you the recipe for that in the description for the barbecue sauce, for the homemade barbecue sauce. I let it marinate for about 4 hours. Jumping right in, we got the grill going. And normally I don't use tin foil, but because I want to cook the pineapple chunks with this, I don't want it to fall onto the grate. I'm going to put some just cooking spray on top of my tin foil. Then I'm going to open up that marinated chicken, and there's 3 pounds. It's about 6 breasts. These have been pounded flat. I use a meat mallet, but you can use whatever you like to do that. That could be a tin can for that matter, you know, with canned vegetables or something. But the idea is that you want to pound them flat for a couple reasons. The most obvious is that they will cook evenly if they are the same length and width, the same width rather, across the board. So you can see I've got the chicken breasts. Again, there's 6 of them, about 3 pounds, pounded flat. And then I've spread a little bit of the sauce on top of it. Remember, grease the sheet. I used cooking spray, but you can use whatever you want to grease the sheet. You want to get a bit of those chunks of pineapple on there. That's going to add a little sweet, because my barbecue sauce also has a little bit of Frank's Red Hot in it, and we want to counterbalance heat with sweet. We're going to let this cook for about 10 minutes covered, and then we'll come back and check it out. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes. And you can see that the chicken is starting to get a nice cook to it. Again, this is a thinner barbecue sauce. But you can see I've got some nice grill marks. There's also some brown sugar in my barbecue sauce, so that's going to give me some nice brown. I'm just going to flip these over. And we're going to cook it for about 10 more minutes just to make sure that it's thoroughly cooked through. Everything flipped over, so I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the sauce on and get those last bits of pineapple in there. Remember, this is a bacon pineapple, so there was 6 pieces of cooked bacon. Mine happened to be turkey bacon, but you are welcome to use whatever cut of bacon you want. And all I'm doing is just trying to get some of this nice sweet, as well as that bacon flavor onto the meat. 10 minutes, and we'll be ready to serve this out. It's been another 10 minutes. Let's take a look. I think they look really well. We're just going to grab them off and put these right on our serving platter. Remember, we want to try to get as much of the pineapple as possible, because that's going to add a nice little bit of sweet treat to this. That's all there is to it, guys. I've plated this up. You got a little bit of the red onion in there and plenty of the pineapple, along with that nice barbecue chicken breast. You could use boneless, skinless chicken breast like I use. Of course, you could use skin on. If you use skin on, I would say take it off the foil and put it on the grill at least for the last minute or 2 so you get a nice crunch to the skin. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Check back for the next video. Hit the bell so that you get the notifications when you do subscribe. And otherwise, take care. Peace.